Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the gift card region and that it matches your Epic account. This prevents redemption errors. Once you have the 16-character code, log into the Epic Games website or open the platform store. Choose the site that ties to your Fortnite account. Make sure your payment profile is up to date if additional verification appears. Start on the Redeem or Code page because that immediate action validates the card and routes V-Bucks to the correct account. Now you enter the code precisely. Pay attention to dashes and letter shapes. One wrong character causes failure. Once entered, you'll be prompted to select the platform linked to Fortnite and confirm the account that will receive V-Bucks. If two-step verification appears, complete it to prove ownership. This prevents fraud and protects your inventory. After confirming, wait for the success message. That indicates the V-Bucks were applied to your account and are ready to use in-game. Finally, open Fortnite on your chosen platform to confirm the V-Bucks balance. Purchases reflect immediately in the item shop. If the code fails, make sure the card was activated at purchase, matches your Epic region, and was entered accurately. Errors here are the most common. If problems persist, contact retailer support first, then Epic Games with your receipt and code. They can trace activation. One key tip: keep the physical card until the balance shows in-game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.